You set goals with enthusiasm, imagining the feeling of accomplishment. But somewhere along the way, things fall apart. Days turn into weeks, and before you know it, your goals are gathering dust, buried under excuses and distractions. Why does this happen so often? Why do most goals fail, despite our best intentions? One of the main reasons is that we set goals based on what we think we should do, not what we truly want. We chase after someone else's version of success, forgetting that goals without personal meaning are hard to commit to. When you're not deeply connected to what you're striving for, motivation fizzles out. You lose the drive to keep pushing through the tough parts because it doesn't speak to your core. Another trap? We bite off more than we can chew. Setting goals that are too big or vague is a recipe for failure. It's easy to say, I want to get fit, or I want to be successful. But without a clear plan, these goals are just dreams. Goals need to be specific, actionable, and broken down into manageable steps. Otherwise, they feel overwhelming, and procrastination sets in. Fear is another silent killer of goals. Fear of failure, fear of judgment, fear of change. It creeps in and convinces you that staying in your comfort zone is safer. So, you hesitate, stall, and eventually give up. It's not that the goal was impossible, it's that you let fear win before you even started. Lack of accountability can also lead to failure. When you keep your goals to yourself, there's no one to push you or remind you why you started. Sharing your goals with others or finding a community that supports your journey can provide the encouragement and accountability you need to stay on track. So, how do you fix it? Start by setting goals that truly matter to you. Make sure they're aligned with your values and passions. Break them down into smaller, actionable steps, and give each step a timeline. Stay flexible. Sometimes, you need to adjust the plan, not the goal. And don't forget to build a support system. Find people who will encourage you, hold you accountable, and celebrate your progress no matter how small. Most importantly, embrace the journey. Understand that setbacks are part of the process. Goals aren't about perfection, they're about growth. If you stumble, don't see it as failure, see it as a lesson. Get back up, refocus, and keep moving forward. Success isn't just about reaching the destination. It's about becoming the kind of person who perseveres, adapts, and grows along the way.